Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
A top contender for the Labour Party gubernatorial ticket in Edo State, Honorable Serguis Ogun says he has the political pedigree to deliver good governance to the people of the state if given the party's nomination and eventually wins the gubernatorial election. Honorable Ogun, who met with Labour Party stalwarts in 8 local government areas of the state recently, said they can bank on him to fly the party's flag high in the September 21st, 2024 governorship election in the state.
As the plans for the Labour Party's February 22nd, 2024 primary elections enters their final stages, a frontline contender for the party's ticket, Honorable Serguis Ogun, last week went round 8 local government areas in the state to seek the buy-in of party stakeholders and supporters to fly the party's flag in the September 21st elections. Receiving the governorship hopeful at the headquarters of the Labour Party in Esako East local government area, woman leader Mrs. Elizabeth Ifetikai and the financial secretary of AKUGHA local government area, Mrs. Ngozi Ojuteke, asked Honorable Ogun to factor in women in his plans and programs.
Now when you get there, women, it's a East. We get the most big farm, and farmer, we have cashew. Remember us for that.
Women, we are the neck. If we refuse to turn, you will not turn. Please, if peradventure, and I pray you become the next governor, allow women.
Honorable Serguis is riding on the gains of his 2 terms in office as a Federal House of Representative member for Esan Northeast and Esan Southeast between 2015 and 2023, where he sponsored over 60 bills and moved about 61 motions on the floor of the House, while also facilitating the execution of projects worth 43 billion within his constituency. Honorable Ogun, who had promised to ensure complete local government autonomy during the course of his consultation with party stakeholders last week at AKUGHA local government area, noted that if elected governor, he will ensure that the poor and vulnerable in the society enjoy the dividends of democracy.
Primary health care, when it did community, there must be one functioning one in every political ward. The law today say, parents know if you're supposed to pay for government school. So GS3. That's the law. But when I know they buy textbook, when I know they buy notebook, under me I will supply it for free.
Labour Party chairman in AKUGHA, Jeff Scott Emuakpo, described Ogun as a worthy leader and wished him well in his endeavors.
The kind of empowerment we know that you were doing when you were in the House is something that is immeasurable to others. And we are so proud of you.
Also, Honorable Ogun, through his foundation, Serguis Osiasoche Ogun Foundation, had given hundreds of scholarships to indigent students at various levels of their educational pursuit. He, however, assured the party leaders that his previous experiences had prepared him for the task ahead.
Inside the Niger Delta,